Let me show you what you can do in order to try to fix the issue with your Bluetooth device not connecting properly to Samsung Galaxy S25. So let's go to the settings, choose connections, and let's go to Bluetooth. Sometimes a simple turn off and on of the Bluetooth might do the work. So to do that first, simply reset the Bluetooth, turn it off and back on, and check if you can connect with your earbuds or wireless headphones or any other Bluetooth device. The next thing that you can do is turn off your Bluetooth device and turn off Bluetooth, and then turn it back on, and then turn back on the Bluetooth device itself. This might be helpful as well. And if you still have issues with connecting or reconnecting to the Bluetooth device, if you have paired your Bluetooth device before, tap on this gear icon on the right side, and then over here we need to unpair. So unpair your Bluetooth device, and that's pretty much it. Now we can try to reopen our Bluetooth device, turn it back on, and remember to put it into the pairing mode as well. And then scan again in the top right corner if the scanning is done, and search for your Bluetooth device. You should be able to detect it now after a few seconds, and pair. Remember that your Bluetooth device cannot be connected to any other device if you try to connect to Galaxy S25. So remember to turn off on any other device, and ideally also unpair, but simple disconnection should also work too. Now, if the issue still persists, if it's still there, then what you can do is go back to settings, scroll down to general management, then over here go to reset, and here we need to choose reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and confirm your choice. In the meantime, turn off your Bluetooth device, and after that go back to the connection settings. Here go to Bluetooth, and we need to pair again. So let's turn on, go to the pairing mode, put it into the pairing mode, and let's see if we can pair. Then you should be able to easily pair your Bluetooth device. At last, or as the last thing that you can do, if it's not working, is perform the factory reset of your Bluetooth device so that there are no interruptions that could be possible due to other previous connections. And since you've done the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth reset, remember that you also lost the Wi-Fi connection and the password is now forgotten, so you will need to reconnect to Wi-Fi too. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!